5 Practical UiPath Automation Examples. Data entry automation. Automate the process of entering data from one system to another, saving time and reducing errors. Invoice processing automation. Automatically extract information from invoices and input it into your accounting system. Email management automation. Sort and prioritize emails based on rules you set, ensuring important messages are addressed promptly. Report generation automation. Create reports automatically by pulling data from multiple sources and formatting it into a cohesive document. Customer onboarding automation. Streamline the onboarding process for new customers by automating the necessary steps and data entry. Automation benefits increase efficiency, automate repetitive tasks and streamline processes to save time and reduce errors. Improve accuracy, minimize the risk of human error by automating data entry and other manual tasks. Enhance productivity, free up employees to focus on more strategic activities that drive growth and innovation. Reduce costs, save money by eliminating the need for manual labor and reducing operational inefficiencies. Drive innovation, use automation to uncover new opportunities for process improvement and optimization. Automation use cases. HR automation. Streamline the recruitment process, employee onboarding, and performance management tasks. Finance automation. Automate invoicing, budgeting, and financial reporting processes for increased accuracy and efficiency. Supply chain automation. Optimize inventory management, order fulfillment, and logistics operations. Customer service automation. Improve response times and service quality by automating ticket management and escalation processes. Sales and marketing automation. Automate lead generation, customer segmentation, and campaign tracking to drive revenue growth. In conclusion, UiPath Automation offers a powerful set of tools and capabilities that can transform your business operations and drive innovation.